Hi everyone, welcome to Folk Academy. In this video we are going to solve a transistor problem. So here given as whenever the transistor in common base configuration and its emitter current is given as 6.628 milliamperes and its collector current is given as 6.20 milliamperes, then how can I find the value of DC current gain? This is a problem. So here first of all write the given data. So here emitter current is given as 6.628 milliamperes and the collector current is given as 6.20 milliamperes. Here we want DC current gain. So in common base configuration, DC current gain nothing but alpha. So alpha is equal to collector current upon emitter current. Now substitute collector current, that is 6.20 upon, so it is milliamperes. So here 6.628 milliamperes. So by simplifying this we get one constant value, so that is equal to 0.935. So from the options, option is the correct option, and this is the DC current gain for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.